Hello there. So I've got a 2002 VW Passat B5.5 generation. So I've got my daytime running lights running through the headlights, but I wanted to change it to the fog lights, and so I was able to do that with a little bypass that I did behind the switch. The first thing I did was to completely disable the daytime running lights by taking off or unplugging the 173 relay. This relay is found right underneath the dashboard on the relay board. So basically that's where it is, that white socket. So you take that off, that completely disabled the daytime running light. So and then so basically what I did, I just added this bypass. So basically what it does is connects the second pin from the bottom. So if your headlight switches like that, it's going to be the bottom part. So it's connecting the second pin. Just want to make sure that you can see that. So it's connecting the second pin with the fourth pin. So basically what it does, the second pin is the fog light cable or wire, and the fourth pin, that's the daytime running lights power. So by doing that, when the daytime running light is supposed to be on, sorry, there was a train passing by. So when the daytime running light is on, that power is fed to the fog lights. So basically that's what this bypass does. So I have a Euro switch as well, so it has one more option. They call it, I think, city light. And also, I know it's very hard to see, but the fog lights indicator is on, so it's a green light. I don't know if that's visible, but yes, so it's on. So that tells me that the fog lights are on. So let's check it out at the front. So just to make sure that the switch is completely on off position. That's when the daytime running light is on. So let's go to the front. So there you go. So right now the fog lights are on and the headlight is off. So let's go and change that. So I'm gonna turn the switch to the city position. So basically the city position turns everything on except the headlights. So I see that my dashboard is on, and the side markers should be on, and tail lights should be on, and that should keep the fog light on as well. And let's check it out. So there you go. So there you go. My fog light is on, and also, I don't know if it's visible, but my city light is on. I have a kind of white LEDs in there. And then, so if I fully engage the headlight, the fog should be on and the headlight should be on. Sorry, I mean the fog should be off and the headlight should be on. So let's turn this to full headlight, and also the fog light indicator turns off. So now everything is on except the fog lights. There you go. So there you go. So that should work. Obviously, I'm gonna wire this properly. Hopefully this is gonna help someone that is interested in changing this the daytime running light to their fog light. All right, cheers. Bye.